up, sugar woogers? I'm back at you again with another video tonight. I'm not in the car. I am right here at my table, finally. But anyway, today, I went to a little spot called CHAPS. CHAPS? Yeah, CHAPS. CHAPS pit beef. And I got me beef. Ooh, look at that. It's falling all off. And I got, you know, the fries. Okay? Look. Let me start. Amen. Alright. I haven't had this in a long time. I've been there before a long time ago. So, today I'm just going to check this out. Let me check the meat out. See if it flavor. Okay. But, you know, it don't have anything on there. Let me see. I got more. A little knife. Because I got to put something on this. It's going to be this dry. I'm going to put some mayonnaise on it. Look, this is mayonnaise. Mayo. Throw that on there. See how? Throw it on there. So, can't have, I don't want it all dry. Because it just look like it's going to be dry. And I'm going to put, this barbecue. Like a little barbecue. I'm going to put some of that on there. Alright. Smush it around. Look, you see how I just did? Alright, like that. And then right here, I have some ketchup. I have ketchup for my fries. I'm going to put the tops over here. And then I have more vinegar. You know, we got to have vinegar. The vinegar. I'm tired, y'all. Yes, I am. Ain't how I come. I'm tired. Alright, let me get a fry. Yeah. Some vinegar. Some ketchup. Guess what? It's the first time I ate all day, y'all. That's crazy. And it's late. What's up? What y'all been up to today? I ain't stingy with the meat on this though. Look at it. I'm good. Ain't gonna be too much talking, y'all. I'm hungry. I'm sleepy. So, I was working, you know, driving around the world. Nothing really interesting happened today. Nothing really interesting. You know what? You know, that spot is open really late all the time. Almost fell out of my mouth. You see that? This place sits next to a adult club. Adult club. So, just like late night food for them. They stay open real late. So, like, this is okay. It's good, you know, for the moment. But, see these fries? The fries are good, but I think they're a little bit on the greasy side too. Really, really on the greasy side. You see how I'm picking through it? I have had better. It's called CHAPS. Oh. Y'all. I ain't do my thumbnail. Woo! Y'all. I always say it, dog. Look what I got. Dun 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 dun. Pepsi. Oh man, what is it? Excuse me. Whew. Boy, that hit you. It always gotta hit you like that. But I gotta hit you. I'm getting tired of chewing already, y'all. Y'all want some? Y'all want some? No, no, y'all want none of this the way I just bit on it, like, ah. I don't want none of this. That side? That piece of meat? Whew! I'm getting out of breath. You know what? I have a habit of, when I eat my food and I'm starting to get full, I start to really look at it. I do. Y'all see me slow it down. Like I need some room or something. I waited too long to eat. Y'all, my sugar wuggers. Look. Don't forget to show Sugar Mama some love, y'all. Show me some love. Hit that subscribe button right now. The subscribe button. Thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Thumbs up the video. Pepsi took control. The Pepsi took control. Comment. Share. Yeah. I don't want no more, y'all. I don't. Y'all think I was eating too fast? Yeah. I was. Greasy fries. Now, see? See me looking at it? Because they are. Look, I'm greasy, yeah. Yeah. I know it's supposed to be greasy. What is this? Oh. So put it like this. I used to go, like I said, I went here a long time ago. And I remember it being really good. Like, Extremely, extremely good. So that's what made me go there again. Now, the beef is good. I think it could use a little bit more seasoning. The fries, they could lay off some of the grease because this is grease. I could oil myself with it. Anyway, that just besides the point. But I just wanted to give y'all a little something, something today. That's all. That's all, my sugar warriors. I'm about to let y'all go. Or did you already let me go? Hey! But anyway, I gotta be doing a I gotta wrap this up. My sugar boogers, I'm about to go. I don't want any more of this. I'm gonna put it up. Usually I'll be packing, you know what, while I'm talking to y'all, I usually be just cleaning up my mess, but I'm not. The fries are too greasy for me. I think this is a little bit of a fail, because in the beginning, I was like, oh my god, I eat all day, you know. It was good, you know, enough for me not to be hungry again. But I had better. Just being honest. But I'm gonna leave y'all with a hug. I had to pull the thing. I didn't want greasy fried all. And my sugar boogers, I see you on the